Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to print and assemble our Easter ring pop wrappers. That's available as a free download over on our website, so make sure you watch the entire video. And if you find the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That way I know that you all enjoy me creating these videos so that I can create more of them and share more freebies. Stay tuned. If you head on over to our website and check out our latest blog post, just click on the blog post for the Ring Pop Easter wrappers, and from there you can download the free PDF file. While over on the website, feel free to check out our additional Easter goodies that we have available, like this Easter treat wrappers package. It's available as an instant download. It includes chip bags, Rice Krispie treat wrappers, and juice pouch labels. You can find the link for this package in the description box down below. This is how the PDF file looks once you download it. To print, I'm going to go to print. If the PDF file includes multiple pages, to only print the labels, you would either select current page, or you're going to go to pages and you're going to select page 1. Make sure you're printing the actual size. I'm not printing multiple pages, so I can deselect print on both sides of the paper. I want to go to my printer settings here. I'm going to be printing with my HP printer. I'm going to go to layout and I'm going to go to paper type and quality. For my paper type, I'm going to select photo paper, and I want the quality to be set to best. I'm going to be printing with glossy photo paper here.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM.
Alright guys, you can find a link to download these Easter ring pop wrappers over on our website in the description box down below, along with all of the materials that I use to assemble. If you found the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos and share more freebies. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.